Now we are on question 29. If the lines 3x plus 2y equals to 4 and that of 2x minus ky equals to 1 are perpendicular, we have to find the value of the constant. What we need to know is what is the connection between the perpendicular of two lines. If two lines are perpendicular, it means the product of their gradient give us what? A negative 1. So if I pick the first equation of a line, 3x plus the 2y equals to 4, I need to find the gradient here by making y the subject. So you transpose this to the other side, giving you 2y equals to 4 minus what? 3x. You can as well bring the negative 3x plus 4. It doesn't spoil anything. Now we divide both sides by 2, as in every term by 2. So we are going to be having y equals to 4 divided by 2 will be 2 minus 3 over 2 what? X. Remember, you're looking for the gradient, which is the coefficient of the x. So the first gradient of the first line is going to be minus 3 over 2, just the coefficient, not the x. All right, because the equation in the form mx plus what? C, where m is the gradient. Okay, let's take the second line, which is also 2x minus ky equals to 1. Since I'm having negative here, I will transpose that there and bring in here, meaning I will having ky equals to 2x minus 1. If you check carefully, this is going to become positive. This is coming to become what? Negative. This is section A. All right. So we divide both sides by k. It means y will now become 2 over kx minus 1 over what? K. So the second gradient is also going to be 2 over what? K. So if the lines are perpendicular, so if this is for perpendicular, if the lines are perpendicular, then it means gradient 1 times the gradient 2 will give you a result of what? Negative 1. Right away from here, your negative 3 over 2 times 2 over k is giving you a result of what? Negative 1. Remember, this will cancel. So negative 3 over k equals to negative 1. When we cross multiply, this will multiply here as negative k. This will multiply here as negative 3 divided by negative 1. K will be a 3. And looking into our possible answers, the option A is the best to choose from here. I guess collect, like, share, comment, subscribe, and come back for question 30.